Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody out there in social media world. Hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. It is hump day, so the middle of the week. Hope everybody's having a great week. We're off to a good start. We had some snow yesterday, and it's pretty clear out right now. It looks pretty clear. Our roads are clear. Hopefully your roads are clear. Our sidewalks are clear. So hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Hello, Teresa. Hello, let's see, Percy, Ron. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it. Wednesday. Aroma Time is actually closed today, which is typically why I don't do a Facebook Live on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We're usually closed, but I felt like, hey, how about a Facebook Live today? I got a lot of work done today. I worked out this morning. I did a 5:30 Zoom class. And I got that done and out of the way, so I'm wide awake. Have lots to do today, so I have had a busy day, catching up from being in the Finger Lakes all weekend. Hello, Judy. Hello, Heather. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Thanks, everybody, for your support. Thanks for watching me. I appreciate it. And we are closed today. Like I said, Aroma Time is closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We'll be reopen again tomorrow. This week's $9.99 special is our Tiki Masala Chicken. $9.99 with rice and broccoli to go. And then we have our burger special tomorrow night as well. We have our chickpea burger and any of our beef burgers, local beef from Wheatley Farms. And that is available on Thursday, $9.99 to go. So two $9.99 specials tomorrow, Tiki Masala Chicken and our burgers. The vegan chickpea burger is included in that. And then the $9.99 Tiki Masala Chicken is available until Sunday. And let's see. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Our grocery store is still open. Don't forget about our grocery store. You can get wine, beer, liquor. We have wild salmon. We have smoked wild salmon, which goes great with our H&H bagels. We have organic cream cheese. Let's see. What else did I add? I'm trying to think. Our shelves are stocked with stuff. So if you want anything, send your email to me with your order. I will pack it up for you, and you can come in and pick it up, or I can bring it out to the car. That's it. So today I'm making a French 77. So I am really in love with this Seneca Drums gin. So I am going to make it with the Seneca Drums gin from the Finger Lakes. This is from Finger Lakes Distilling, sorry. I have bottles of this that are coming in on Friday that we'll put out on our shelves. So anybody that wants to buy this can buy it. Usually it has lemon juice, which I'm going to put in, triple sec, which we use a curacao. So this is real orange. And then I am going to top it off with a sparkling wine. So I'm going to use this sparkling Prosecco. You can use champagne if you'd like. I'm going to make it in a shaker, and then I'm going to pour it into a wine glass, and I am going to top it off with a splash of sparkling wine, so Prosecco. So we are going to start with 2 ounces of Seneca Drums gin. You know, I like this gin. The botanicals in there are delicious. You smell them. You know, you can really use any gin. I've just been really loving this Seneca Drums gin since I retasted it this weekend up in the Finger Lakes. I'm going to put about ½ ounce of lemon juice in there. I'm going to add 1 ounce of curacao, so triple sec or curacao. Awesome. I'm going to shake that up. So our trip to the Finger Lakes was awesome this weekend. We took 14 guests with us. We were obviously all social distanced. We sat at different tables. They had us separated out to follow the requirements, and everybody traveled with us. We went to 5 wineries, and 2 came to the hotel, and one that came to our hotel for our opening night was Finger Lakes Distilling. She came, she made a couple of drinks. If you caught my Facebook Live on Monday, I made a lime and thyme drink, and I am going to be putting that onto our menu. Kind of goes with our theme of the restaurant, so I kind of found that cool. But if you would like to travel with Marcus and I, we are doing another Finger Lakes trip. We will be up in the Finger Lakes March 19th through the 21st. We will be going to Keuka Lake wineries. One of them will be Hunt Country. I'm sure we're going to get to Dr. Frank. We'd love to get to Ravines if possible. And then we're definitely going to throw in Fulkerson, which is on Seneca Lake. But because we couldn't get there this time, we're going to throw that in there from last time. I'm going to ask Brian and Jess from Finger Lakes Distilling to come back and make us some drinks and cocktails in our room for the opening reception. So you're not only drinking wine all weekend, and maybe we'll throw in a brewery in there. I'm thinking that would be cool. So that is March 19th through the 21st. I'm going to put a splash of Prosecco in here, and I'm going to swirl it around and give it a taste. Let's see. Oh, does that gin come out? Wow, that is yummy. Nice and light. You can put it on ice. You can leave it in a champagne flute if you'd prefer. But really nice and just easy to drink. French 75. Cheers. So as I was saying, we are going to do Keuka Lake March 19th through the 21st. If you'd like to travel with us, get the red carpet treatment, which I got to tell you, every winery bent over backwards for us. They were phenomenal. Some opened really special bottles of wine for us, and wines they just pulled out of their cellar, and it was really awesome. So, and one winery was like, why don't we just taste everything? So we had a really nice tasting there. Zugabee up near Geneva did an awesome job at night. We had awesome food up there. So awesome time. Want to travel with Marcus and I? Check out VIPWineryVacations.com. Give me a call. You can email info@aromatimebistro.com, and I'll get you the information. It's $800 a person. That includes everything from the time you get there Friday till the time you leave on Sunday. You don't have to pay for anything except any extra wine that you want to bring home with you. So again, thank you everybody for watching. We will be open tomorrow night. $9.99 specials to go tomorrow. Our tiki masala chicken with our brown rice and broccoli, and our burgers. The tiki masala chicken is available all weekend till Sunday, and we'll have a new special on Monday. If you haven't tried the tiki masala chicken, it is awesome. It's chicken with a tomato-based Indian spice sauce. So tiki masala, it's awesome. And that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. I will see everybody tomorrow at 4-ish for my wine time. Sorry, not my wine time live. My cocktail time with Jamie. Marcus and I do a wine time live usually Tuesday or Wednesday night, so sometimes I get confused there. All right, everybody, stay healthy, stay safe. Be careful of the ice out there when you're walking on sidewalks or in your driveway. Be careful not to slip and fall. And that is it. Have a great day, and I'll see everybody tomorrow.